Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to manage fixed assets in QuickBooks Enterprise. The first thing I want you to do is actually open up QuickBooks Enterprise, come here, click on Company, and then click here on Manage Fixed Assets. Okay, click on this, and for this you need to be on single user mode, but if it's your first time, okay, what will happen is a QuickBooks Enterprise will actually create an asset database linked to your QuickBooks company file. Stored in the same folder, you choose your depreciation method, your tax setup, and then you start adding fixed assets to QuickBooks. So there's two main ways to record this. One is you record a purchase as a fixed asset. So you enter your purchases through, bills, you can write checks, okay? Or you can enter credit card charges. In the account column, you basically choose a fixed asset like furniture, things like that, right? Or you can come here, click on lists, click on item list, okay? And then you can add lists, I'll show you. And you click on this drop down, you can add new items. You could also just come here to list, click on this one, fixed asset item list. So you can add these specifically, okay, right here. You just choose your asset name, number, asset account. You choose your purchase description, things like that. Okay, location, serial numbers, and whether the item is active or inactive, right? And then you can calculate depreciation as well through these. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.